Hello. We are going to hit apply a onesie. In the previous tutorial, we hit apply one. So I got a second one. So for this one, because I have these edges right here, I'm going to use this pad. And this one I got it from Heatronics, and it comes like one that was like 20 by 20. So I cut pieces. So this is going to raise up my area where I'm going to be applying. We are going to preheat. You always want to preheat. This one, I'm going to use this unicorn, and it's one of my designs as well. Should be somewhere right there. Gonna put it a little bit there. And this is Ultra Color Soft. So we are going to get applied for 15 seconds, and I have my temperature at 360. You can go up to 320. So we're just gonna let it cool down. So we're just gonna let this cool down completely before we can peel it off. And mine is still warm, but look at how easy it's peeling off. I don't have any issues pulling it off. What I like to do when I apply, I love the feel before you do a second hand, but I feel more comfortable if I do a second hand. So we are going to go ahead and give it a second hand. And this just had to be like for 5 seconds. You don't need to do more than that. Just to ensure. Add it to the back. And for that, I'm not gonna need that. I think I'm just gonna add it right there and right here. Yep, I kind of like it like that. So that's what we're gonna do. So the fun part about, like, the good thing about customizing is that you can do whatever you want. I'm just going to add this right here. And this, I want it right here. And got this. I think that'll be cool. So that's what I'm going to do. I mean, it's a hot peel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, thank you.